Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the graphics card driver on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. And this is actually really easy to do. We want to go on down to search right here and type in Device Manager. Then it should show up on the top. And select this. Then drag this over to the appropriate screen. Now we want to locate our graphics card under here. So let's scroll on down and go to where it says right here about here, display adapters. And we can see our graphics card listed. Now we can also go up to view and go to show hidden devices just to see if there's anything that's not showing up. I have two graphics card under here, my Intel UHD graphics, my integrated graphics, and then my dedicated graphics card. On my laptop is my NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Select it, then go up to this little icon, update device driver. Then search automatically for device drivers. And it looks like the best installed driver is already on my system. Windows has determined the best driver for this device is already installed. There may be better drivers on Windows Update or a device manufacturer's website. So we can go to search for update drivers on Windows Update and check for update. Then also, you probably want to go ahead and check the manufacturer's website to see if you have the best available driver there. So this will just be like a generic one for Windows. And it's going to probably go ahead and work. If you're just booting up your computer for the first time, you might want to go ahead and just do this. But you want to get the name of the graphics card. So NVIDIA, GeForce, RTX, whatever. And then you want to go to the manufacturer's website and specifically go ahead and get that. So let me just bring up Google right now. So I can go over to maybe even Bing, bing.com, and type that graphics card in. RTX, what is it, 3050 GeForce drivers. So whatever it says in there, go ahead and specifically type that in, and it should bring you to the appropriate website to go ahead and update it. So here's the NVIDIA driver download. I can just select this, and it'll bring you to the GeForce website. And you're going to want to go ahead and download this specific software. So maybe like half of you guys will have a GeForce card or something like that. You're going to want to go ahead and just download the NVIDIA software for that. And then you should be good to go having the latest driver specifically for that. But the most important thing is just getting the correct name of the graphics card you have and then typing that into Google and just type in drivers for that graphics card and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.